Recently, Google has created a new channel grouping called AI Assistant in Google Analytics. So basically what this new AI Assistant default channel grouping does is it uh, contains all the new AI chatbots that are there, which is ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, and if any new AI chatbot comes out, Google will automatically add them to the AI Assistant. So way it appears is if you go in Google Analytics, it will appear here under primary channel grouping. It appears here as AI assistant, and it will include all the stats from ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and any other AI chatbot. So today I'm going to show you how to create another custom channel grouping which will appear here. So first thing we need to do is we need to see how we are going to track all the different sources into that particular new channel grouping that we are going to create. So what we need to do is first we need to see how to add them. So what we need to do is we need to click on this plus button here. What I do is I usually search for source medium. Click on source medium. Once you click on source medium, it will add a new column here. So this is all the stats which are currently there. So I'm just going to take this as an example. So if you see here, we have the default channel grouping is referral. Then we have session source is artanalytics.appspot.com, and we have the medium as referral. So I'm going to use this as an example to create a default channel grouping. So it will pull in all the stats from Art Analytics appspot.com and create it into a new channel group. So first of all, to get it to appear like this, you will need to set it up in set up a UTM parameter. So to set up a UTM parameter, we have this custom URL builder. I will share it in the description. So you can add all the stats whichever are required, which is the website URL, it is the campaign source, campaign medium, and campaign name. This is if you want to keep track of it. Then once you add all this, automatically at the bottom, the parameter will appear. So I'll just quickly show you like an example for this. So first we need the website URL. So website URL will put it as www.ps.com. So okay, then we'll put the campaign source, which is come here. So currently the first one is session source, so it will come here. So we'll pick this up, come here, and paste it here. The next you have the campaign medium. So go back again here. This is the medium. So referral is the medium. Here, copy and paste the medium. Now you have to put also a campaign name. So I'll just put it as art visits. Okay. So you can put it for the month also, art visits of August. Okay, so I just put that there. Then at the bottom you can see here the URL is supposed to appear here. So it says this is giving an error and it says the website URL provided is not a valid URL. So let's go on top and check and see. So okay, so it says website URL. I've directly put it as www. I have not put the HTTP part. So let me just copy that here and paste. So yes, now it should appear. Yes, it has appeared here. So this is the UTM parameter. So what you need to do is you need to add it on your website or wherever source which is there, which brings in the traffic. So whenever users click on it, it will come to the website and it will show here. Okay, so this was just an example how to create the UTM parameter. So once you have this in place, once it tracks in GA4, we need to set up a custom channel group. So how to do that is first you need to go to admin, click on admin. Once you click on admin, you come down to channel groups, click on channel groups. Then you have your default channel group in here. So you have no ability to edit this. This is the default one. So this will remain there. It doesn't allow you to edit it. So what you can do is you can either click on the three dots and copy to create a new one, or you can go ahead and create a new channel group. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new channel grouping. So when you create a new channel grouping, by default, it gives you the entire list of which is already there as a default channel group. Okay, so right at the bottom, you can see AI assistance. So AI assistance is set up, and going ahead, it is already set up. So whenever you get any AI traffic, it gets included here. So we are creating a new channel grouping now. So what we're going to do is put add new channel. Okay, so this is the channel name. So what I am going to do is I am just going to come here. I will pick this up, and I have to add the channel name. So this is whatever you want to appear there. So what you can do is you can just come here. I'll just pick this up. I'll just use this as the channel name. Just paste it here. Okay, this channel name, and we'll remove this. Okay, so this is the new channel name. Now we need to set up the conditions to track for this custom channel. So we click on add condition. So then we have the drop down of default channel group. We have medium, we have source platform, campaign ID, campaign name, and manual ad content. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use two things. I'm going to use medium and source. You can use one or you can use two. It's up to you. But for this example, I'm going to set up two. So first you click on medium. Then you have these options which give you matches exactly, contains, begins with, ends with. Then we have matches, regular expressions. We have quite a few of them. So I'm going to go with contains. Click on contains and come back here. So it was medium. So the medium what I have chosen is referral. Okay. Come back again here. Click on referral. Then you click on apply. So once you click on apply, it's added here. Say medium contains referral. Now you can either set up a add and condition group, or you can set up an or condition group. So in this case, they are both applied. So we need an and condition. So you click on it, come down, and you click on source because source is the next one. Come back here again. I have session source. So this is my session source. So come here, come back again here, click on contains, click here, click on this. So this is now my source. So I have currently two conditions set up for my channel group, which is medium contains referral and source contains art analytics app.spot.com. Okay, so you click on save channel. Then you have to put a default channel grouping. So this default channel grouping will appear here. So it is whatever you want to appear here. So let's put it as art analytics. So it has art. Art analytics. Okay. Then we can just, if you want, you can just copy paste this and paste this here. Fine. Okay. Then next thing is you have to be very sure. See, once you've applied it, it gets added here. If you want to see the settings again, you just click on it and it'll show you the settings that have been set up. Similarly, for any of these other ones, whatever you want to see what settings have been added, you just click on it. It will show you default channel graphing, default channel group, matches, email. Okay. So another very important point to notice is how does it go through the list? It goes from the order wise. So it will go from first, second, third. So if any of these channel groupings, so say for example, if art analytics app spot comes in, currently it's coming in from referral. But if there is another source which is there, okay, which say for example comes in from organic. If it comes in from organic, and so as I mentioned, it goes starting from 1 till the bottom. So coming, and organic. So organic, organic it is, right? So if the medium is organic and it comes here, comes under organic, then it will definitely go under the default channel grouping of organic. So you have to be a bit sure when you're setting up a default channel grouping because it goes from the top to bottom. Yeah, so that's how we set up channel groups. Okay, and yeah, and if you feel that maybe it's search, so it has, this one has to be above search because you need it above it, so you don't want this thing. So there are two ways of doing it. Either you can uh, copy to new channel grouping, create a new channel, so automatically it will come below it. So I'll just quickly show you an example. You go here, click copy to create new, keep the same thing I'm just giving you as example, save it and see organic search, copy of organic search. So then after that you can just go ahead and remove this channel. So it will go from the right from the top, but 1 2 3 till the bottom, then it reaches here, then it will track under here. Otherwise it would have got tracked under organic search. So you can either delete it and then copy it and then delete the top one, or what you can do is just click on reorder, and then you can move it wherever you want. So we had organic search was here and this one was here. So if I want, I can just move it on top. It's as simple as that. So whichever option you want, you can set it up. Like, okay. Yes, so once we've added the group name, we've added the description, we just click on save group. So once you click on save group, it gets added here as a different dimension, different channel group, sorry. So you have an option. You can either keep it as it is, or you can change it to the default channel grouping. So this currently is the primary channel group, which is default channel group. So if you want, you can change it. Click on this pencil icon, which is here, and click on Art Analytics. So this would change the entire thing to the Art Analytics channel group. Okay, or you can keep it primary as it is, because what will happen is once it starts tracking it, it is not possible after that to modify the primary channel group. So what I suggest is keep the default channel grouping as primary channel group. Then always once this is saved, and from the time it's saved, it starts tracking stats. It will not give you previous stats. From the time it's saved only, it will start tracking stats. So once these stats have been saved, how you switch between both the channel grouping is, you just directly go on top here. Whenever you have anything, go here and a new channel group will appear. So I'll just quickly show you now the fact that it's saved. I'll just go back again to reports, go to traffic acquisition. Once I've gone to traffic acquisition, then come down here. It's not yet activated. It will take some time, but once it's activated, it will start showing here. Okay, so that's basically how you set up a channel grouping. But only thing, you have to be very sure when you're setting up channel grouping, because it does alter data. So you have to be a bit sure when you set that up. Yeah. So if you have any questions regarding setting up a custom channel grouping, please let me know. Thank you.